First BMH EAS. Severe thunderstorm watch.
National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 379, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Illinois: Fulton, Knox, Marshall, Mason, McLean, Peoria, Putnam, Stark, Tazewell, and Woodford. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bowen to near Buckhorn, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Beardstown, Rushville, Lewistown, Astoria, Vermont, Chandlerville, Ipava, Bath, Littleton, Browning, Table Grove, Bernadette, Smithfield, Frederick, Huntsville, Marietta, Ellisville, Ripley, Camden, and Bluff City. You're listening. Severe thunderstorm warning for Sangamon County, Mason County, Menard County, Eastern Morgan County, Eastern Cass County, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:45 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Bath to near Lighterbury to 6 miles south of Franklin, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Mason City, Virginia, Chatham, Alexander, Auburn, Sherman, Rochester, Pawnee, Petersburg, Athens, Manitou, Williamsville, New Berlin, Ashland, Waverly, Divernon, Pleasant Plains, Greenview, and Loami. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 78 and 106. Interstate 72 between mile markers 69 and 105. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, all hazards. Station WXJ 75 in Springfield. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County, Clinton County, St. Clair County, Vaughn County, Montgomery County, Equippment County, Madison County, Northeastern Randolph County, Southeastern Monroe County, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Palmyra to 6 miles south of New Design, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Numerous reports of wind damage and measured winds of 60 to 70 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Belleville, O'Fallon, East St. Louis, Collinsville, Edwardsville, Fairview Heights, Swansea, Glen Carbon, Shiloh, Wood River, Highland, Troy, Waterloo, Bethalto, Maryville, Muscuda, Greenville, Litchfield, Hillsborough, and Carlinville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 21 and 52. Interstate 55 in Illinois between exits 23 and 63. Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 9 and 50. This also includes Lake Lou Yeager. Severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service in the Quad Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bureau County, Putnam County, southeastern Whiteside County until 5 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Midland to near Elmira, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rock Falls, Princeton, Hennepin, Spring Valley, Henry, Depew, Granville, Walnut, Ladd, Wilmette, Sheffield, Tuscola, Tampico, Longville, Dowville, Buda, Bureau Junction, McNabb, Deer Grove, and Putnam. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Illinois between mile markers 36 and 72. Interstate 88 between mile markers 36 and 44.
I want to record by myself.
Western Marshall County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:17 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Kewanee to West Jersey to near Yates City, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Princeville, Wyoming, Toulon, Osceola, Bradford, Elmira, West Jersey, Lafayette, Laura, Elmore, Camp Grove, Castleton, Duncan, Monica, and Long Ridge. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 69 and 70. The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County, eastern Clinton County, eastern Vaughn County, southeastern Montgomery County, Fayette County, Marion County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:20 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Morrisonville to 6 miles east of Coulterville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. Numerous reports of wind damage and measured wind gusts of 60 to 70 miles per hour. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Centralia, Salem, Vandalia, Greenville, Carlisle, Nashville, Nokomis, St. Elmo, St. Louisville, Weymouth, Central City, Odin, Beckenmeyer, Ramsey, Witt, Killenly, Brownstown, Coffeen, Irvington, and Mulberry Grove. This includes the following highways: Interstate 70 in Illinois between exits 45 and 76. Interstate 57 in Illinois between exits 109 and 135. Interstate 64 in Illinois between exits 50 and 61. This also includes Ramsey Lake State Park and Carlisle Lake Recreational Area. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Sangamon County, Macon County, Christian County, western Shelby County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Riverton to near Pawnee to near Litchfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Taylorville, Shelbyville, Pana, Mount Zion, Rochester, Forsyth, Riverton, Pawnee, Moweaqua, Kincaid, Harristown, Long Creek, Warrensburg, Assumption, Blue Mound, Macon, Edinburgh, Morrisonville, and Stonington. This includes Interstate 72 between mile markers 105 and 145. Central Knox County until 8:30 p.m. At 4:28 p.m., trained weather spotters reported flash flooding on several streets in Galesburg and Knoxville. Up to 2.5 inches of rain have already fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Galesburg, Knoxville, Watauga, Gilson, East Galesburg, and Galesburg Airport. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 44 and 60. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County, northeastern Sangamon County, east central Menard County, northwestern Macon County, western DeWitt County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Mason City to near Williamsville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lincoln, Clinton, Riverton, Maroa, Atlanta, Mount Pulaski, Williamsville, Warrensburg, San Jose, Emden, Waynesville, Elkhart, Latham, Kenny, Middletown, Hartsburg, Chestnut, Cornland, Beeson, and Spalding. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 10. Interstate 55 between mile markers 107 and 141. Interstate 72 between mile markers 107 and 110.
My county.
Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a warning for Winford County, Peoria County, southeastern Stark County, northeastern Tazewell County, Marshall County, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:36 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Camp Grove to Delatu near Brimfield, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by trained spotters. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Peoria, Eureka, Lakin, East Peoria, Washington, Chillicothe, West Peoria, Metamora, Germantown Hills, Eureka, Lakin, East Peoria, Washington, Chillicothe, West Peoria, Metamora, Germantown Hills. In your cell phone. Princeville, Rome, Wyoming, Toluca, and Dunlap. This includes the following highways: Interstate 39 between 7 and 94. Interstate 474 between mile marker 0 and 4. Interstate 74 between mile markers 71 and 94. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Woodford County, McLean County, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:18 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Carlock to near Hayworth, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Normal, Leroy, Hayworth, El Paso, Lexington, Hudson, Chenoa, Gridley, Danvers, Colfax, Downs, Saybrook, Carlock, Towanda, Cooksville,
Wow, look at that
Pleasant Hill,
wind.
Conderville, Aerosmith, and Kappa. This Interstate 39 between mile markers 0 and 19. Interstate 55 between mile markers 150 and 186. Interstate 74 between mile markers 115 and 152. During severe weather, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Piatt County, Southeastern McLean County, Northeastern Logan County, DeWitt County until 5:45 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Waynesville to near Forsyth, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clinton, Monticello, Leroy, Farmer City, Argenta, Mansfield, Wapella, DeLand, Weldon, Whiteheat, Bellflower, Cisco, DeWitt, Lodge, Lane, Galesville, Clinton Lake Dam, and Weldon Springs State Park. This includes the following highways: Interstate 72 between mile markers 150 and 173. Interstate 74 between mile markers 150 and 168. You're listening